Hey y'all, I know you are here to see the lock count, and I'm here to give you what you want, give you what you need. I have no clue how many locks are in my head. I attempted to keep track when I was doing my install. That was a failed miserably. I'm estimating, I'm gonna just go ahead and throw it out. I'm estimating, I think I got like 350, 400. I don't know. What do y'all think I have? Leave it down below. Let me know before you watch the video. Let me know how much locks you think that I have in my head. Let me get y'all close up in case y'all ain't never seen it before. Let me do a turn. I got my pen and I got my pad. So I'm going to make sure to break it up into sections so I don't mess up like I did last time. I'm going to separate the hair and I'm going to count each section. So if I do mess up, it ain't all downhill from there. We can still come back from it. All right, now that I got my 4 parts achieved, I'm going to go ahead. I think I'm going to start with the back. I just got done doing this part. That was 38. And now we're going to do this side on the back. This side had 40, and that included my little baby ones right here. It was pretty even so far, and I didn't do it on purpose, like to be even. That's just how it happened. Now the front, I know it's gonna be a lot more in the front. It's gonna be a challenge. 34, 35, 30. So y'all, just in this spot right here, this is 40. I'm losing count, so just in this spot right here, this was 51. Whoa, yeah, 51 right here. I can't even believe that. We ain't even did this part yet. I'm gonna go ahead and split it, because what was I even thinking that I was gonna be able to not mess up the count. Just knew I was gonna mess up the count. Still didn't separate it. 9, 10. Yeah, I'm counting my lock. 20. I'm counting.
20, okay, you got 20.
I don't need no distractions, please.
Come on, Molly.
Because Molly finna come in here. Got to go. 21, 22. What's the count? All right, y'all. The count is done. Now we will go tally it up and see what's the count. And I gotta pull out my calculator. I'm not good at doing math in my head. Never been good at that. Some of y'all are really gifted. You can do math just by looking at the numbers. Never been me. Never could be me. It's too much. So I got my calculator here. Let me put my nerd glasses on. It is 38 plus 40 plus 40 plus 51 plus 38 plus 56. Y'all, I thought I had way more than this. Y'all, according to my calculations. And if you have it in your heart, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It really helps YouTube know that my content is good. I have 263 locks. But y'all, I feel like I have more. Let me redo my math to be sure. Let me make sure I didn't miss no number. 38 plus 40 plus 40 plus 51. 1, 2, 3. Still, I got 3 pieces here. Yeah, that's right. Plus 56. Yeah, that is 263. 263. According to my calculations. So yeah, y'all, I'm not mad. Let me take my glasses off. I'm not mad about it because it's like, okay, 263 for me to retie, I think that's not bad. Okay, and also I did want to add, the ones in the back are thicker because I really wanted the ones in the front to be like, I wanted a lot of them in the front. But you know what I noticed is that my hair, like the actual lock, I could have used the same amount of parting, like for example, like this. But if y'all can see, my hair is just thicker in some areas, like back here. This is way thicker than the front. But I'm not mad about it because it's like, I might actually end up struggling with these in the back. And I may end up, if I want them to be smaller, separate them. But honestly, I don't think that I want to separate them. I think I have a good amount and that as they mature, I'll probably appreciate the number that I have, since I will be attempting to do my reties myself. So yeah, I think this is a good number. Y'all let me know what you think down below. Are you shocked by the number that I revealed? Do you think it's more? Did you think it was going to be less, or did you pretty much think it was going to be what it is? Let me know. And thank you guys for watching. I'm so excited and I'm happy. As always, thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate all the love and all the support. If you haven't already, and if you have it in your heart, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It really helps YouTube know that my content is good. They don't know unless y'all tell them. And until next time, I will see you guys soon. Bye.